Hey, what's up, Raven users and batch commanders? Jamie Z here. Want to show you how to use Tab in Shift+Tab in Cubase to do custom naming and custom fading on your tracks. So let's get started. First, I want to rename these tracks Jamie Z Vokes. So first thing we got to do is when you notice that when you click a track and you hit Tab 1, 2, 3, you'll notice that the naming lights up. If I click another track, I hit Tab 1, 2, 3, see the naming lights up again. Now if I hit Enter and down without clicking, and I hit Tab 1, 2, 3, 4, it takes 4 times. So you click, it's 3, 1, 2, 3, and you just cursor down and it's 1, 2, 3, 4. So we need to keep that in mind when we're naming. So let's open up a key command here. Let's hit Tab, and let's give that a repeat of 3, and we'll type in Jamie spacebar Vokes spacebar 1. So let's see how far this gets us, and then I'll show you the rest of the script. So I click the track and I hit it, Jamie Z Vokes. So we'll have to finish the command with return and then cursor down. Key command return, key command cursor down. Let's give this a little bit of delay time. Now we want to name 4 tracks. So I'm going to highlight this, I'm going to duplicate it. But like I showed you earlier, when you cursor down, your tab changes from 3 to 4. So all I'm going to do is change this to 4 times, repeat the tab. And I'm going to change this to 2 instead of 1. And now I'm going to highlight these again. I'm going to duplicate this. I'm going to change this to 3 instead of 2. And finally, I'm going to highlight these one more time. And I'm going to change this to 4 instead of 3. And now we don't need the cursor down, so I'll remove that. Color it, confirm it. We click the track. We hit the batch command. And it renames all your tracks. Click there. Hit it. And there's your naming. Now we could use this same tab for adding fades with this info line here. So let's create a custom fade. You'll notice if I click the region and I hit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It takes 9 times to get to the fade in. But if I hit enter and I hit tab again, it takes 11 times. So we need to do a little clear out here just to clear the tab. So we'll do Shift Tab and we'll do this 4 times and then hit enter. Now this will clear all of our tabs out so that we can start now with tab 11 times. And let's watch where this gets us. So we select the region. We'll call this fades. And I'll hit fades, and you'll see my cursor ends up right here on fade in. But I don't want to do it by the second because the fade will be too big. So now I need a cursor right, 1, 2, 3, and we'll type in 10. So let me add that to the script here. Cursor right 3 times. We'll type in 10. And we'll hit return. Now this will give us a 10 millisecond fade out. But now if we want to fade in and out, let's get rid of the enter. Let's add another tab after this, which will take us to the fade out. We'll cursor right 3 times again. And we'll type in 10. Now this time we could finish with a return. And this will be fade in, out, 10 milliseconds. I'll clear this fade. Select the region. And you see there's 10 in, 10 out. Now if we want to do this a little longer, maybe we could just add this 100 and 100, and now I'll add 100 millisecond fade in, fade out. Or we could even change this to 50. And that'll add a 50 millisecond fade in, fade out. So there you go, custom fades and naming with Cubase. Hope you guys dig it. Bye.